In this video, we will learn how to Quick Access Toolbar move below the ribbon of Excel. You can see here this is a Quick Access Toolbar. You can add anything in your Quick Access Toolbar by right click of the mouse. If I want to add this, just right click, add to the Quick Access Toolbar. If I want to move this Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon, just right click of this tool, right click on the toolbar. You can see here show the quick access toolbar below the ribbon. Just click on that. That's it. You can see here you can use this. Okay. If you want to add something, you can just right click of the mouse and add in quick access toolbar. Okay. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.